Hello everyone, we have already looked at the meaning of consideration. I'll just repeat the definition of consideration as per section 2D of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Consideration has been defined as when, at the desire of the promisor, the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing, or does or abstains from doing, or promises to do or abstain from doing something, such an act or abstinence or promise is called consideration for the promise. So, very simply put, consideration is anything you exchange as part of a contract. The price for which you buy the promise of the other person or the promisor, that is consideration. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at a very simple and short topic, kinds of consideration, which are the different types of consideration. This is Dr. Mariam Narona taking you through this concept. So, kinds of consideration is a part of chapter 1 of the law of contract of the TYBCom 2013 pattern of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now, consideration may be classified as past, present or future consideration. This is a very broad classification of consideration. So, past consideration is when consideration for a present promise was given in the past. That is, consideration has already passed between the parties some time ago. Now, an example of this is you may pay your fees for a particular class or a particular course in advance. That is, you may have paid it already in June, and the school or the organization or the tutor who is going to deliver the service of education to you will be doing so right now or at some point in future. So, past consideration is where you have already paid an amount or some consideration has passed between parties. It could also be the publisher pays a signing amount to the author and the manuscript is to be delivered now or at some time in future when he has already received the signing amount in the past. Present consideration moves simultaneously with the promise. This is what you do when you go to buy something at a store. You buy the item and you pay for it at the same time. It could be anything. It could be vegetables, it could be groceries, it could be apparel, it could be shoes, it could be accessories. So whenever you exchange, whatever is exchanged happens at the same time, it is known as present consideration. Now, future consideration is when consideration on both sides moves at a future date. So, when you buy an insurance policy, for example, you continue to pay a premium over a period of time, and the insurance company promises to compensate you for any loss or any need that will arise in the future. So, this is an example of future consideration. So, just to recap a little bit, consideration is the price for which you buy the promise of another person. Consideration may be past, present or future. Past consideration is when consideration has passed between parties earlier, and present consideration is when consideration passes between parties in the present moment, and future consideration is when consideration between parties will pass at a future date. I hope you found this a very simple and easy topic to understand. If you like the video, please hit like. Do subscribe to the channel if you find the content here valuable. Do share it with other people who you think might benefit from it, and do comment and leave your feedback.